Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what's essential. Get your Esp32 connected to your computer and make sure Arduino IDE or Platform I/O can compile for Esp32. Enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password into the sketch placeholders because you need network access immediately. Next, open Thingspeak, create a channel, and copy the right API key. You will paste it into the code. Once done, include the Wi-Fi and HTTP client libraries so the device can talk to Thingspeak. You'll remove the core restrictions next, starting with app timers and focus modes. Tap each app and remove its limit because bulk toggles are inconsistent across versions. Then revoke usage access and notification control for apps listed under permissions so nothing reasserts limits. If a parental control or enterprise profile remains, open accounts or profiles and remove it. This is often the blocker. After each change, restart the device to ensure system services, reevaluate permissions, and stop enforcing the well-being rules. Finish by adding a steady loop cadence and safe retry logic. Ensure you wait at least 15 seconds between updates because Thingspeak enforces a rate limit. Once running, validate data appears in your Thingspeak channel. Check that the correct fields are populated and that timestamps look right. If something goes wrong, print the HTTP response code and Wi-Fi connection state to the serial console, then retry with exponential backoff. Make sure the right API key and SSL configuration match your chosen client, because mismatches cause silent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.